Hello everyone and welcome to Creative Design and Supply. Today I want to show you Specialty Materials Soft Metallic. Now you can get a half sheet of this for $2.75 or you can get a 12 by 20 for $5. Now what I love about this one, it gives a soft, smooth finish and looks like metallic screen print, and it is very soft. So I want to go ahead and do a Thanksgiving shirt, and to go along with the little heart that is on it, I want to keep everything smooth and soft on this. Just like my last video where I showed you Twinkle, we are going to use another piece of this for the heart. And this is soft also. It has a silicone top to it, so you don't have any scratching to it, and it's completely soft. So we are going to stay like that with this. Now this is just a sample of the colors that we have. We also have black. So I wanted to just show you a few of the colors, and these are the half sheets. And the good thing about this project with the Gildan Softstyle shirt that I am using, I'm using it's only going to be 9 inches, so I could actually do 2 of these with the $2.75 sheet. So I want to show you how cut and weed this. Now I do have this in a video for our heat transfer materials, but I just want to go ahead and show you how soft and how easy this is to weed. And I love at how soft this is, and just the way that it weeds. And actually, like I said, I could do 2 projects with this $2.75. Okay. And what I like to do on this is I will put it right back on a mat and I weed it. And this is so soft once I get my piece and show you. And like I said, this weeds. Now this is a very dirty mat. I've had this one actually since February. Now this is my way of weeding. You don't have to do it like this. I just like it because if not, you'll pick it up and you'll crimp it and everything. It just seems to be a little bit easier for me to weed that way. All right, look at how soft this is. And then it presses in. Now it won't have this glossy, it'll have the grittiness of like a screen print. The reason why I say it's going to be like a screen print. But it gives it a little bit of a glittery look, foiled look, but it's super soft and it is stretchable. Like I said, I'm going to be putting this on a Softstyle Gildan sand, and I will list all the products that I use in here. All right, and now look at how pretty that is. And this is in copper. I didn't tell you whenever I was looking at it. So now let me just cut the heart, and I'm going to move you over to the heat press. Okay, so I am just going to put it something like this. But I want to show you. Like I said, this is a Gildan Softstyle sand. And the fact that these edges are going to be on there, you can scoop that up, but you're still going to have these seams on here. So I have a pressing pillow. You don't have to have a big one, just big enough for your area. So I'm going to leave my shirt, which I usually don't, but the fact that this pressing pillow is going to help that, I'm going to leave that up there, and I'm going to make sure that I get the proper press for this, because your soft metallic is going to have a firm pressure, and it's going to be a cold peel, and you press it at 302 to 320 for 7 to 8 seconds. And like I said, you're going to peel this one cold. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that my pressure is correct, and I'm going to pre-press my shirt to get my excess moisture out. All right? Okay. So now everything is proper on there, and you can see right here that you don't have to worry about that it brings everything else up to press. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to get my bearings and how I want this. Look at how beautiful and bright that is. All right, and then I'm just going to set my beautiful little soft heart right here. All right, and like I said, both of these are pressed. The Twinkle is pressed at 305, so I'm at the right temperature, which I did 305 for that because the soft metallic can be 302 to 320. And I am going to press this for 7 to 8 seconds, all right, with a firm pressure, and this will be a cold peel. All right, and so now I'm going to let this get completely cold. And now what I want you to know is that after we peel this carrier sheet off cold, we are going to repress for another 3 to 5 seconds. All right, and then that will give this the allotted time for it also. So while this is cooling, because it has this mat on it that's going to help keep that heat in. So just to give it a few more seconds, I just want to talk about the difference in the finishes. Now, if you like the smooth glass finish, shiny mirrored finish, we also have Specialty Materials DecoFilm Brilliance, and those are able to be sublimated on also. You've seen some of my videos. If not, you can go in and look at the DecoFilm under the heat transfer vinyl, and I show you little samples of that. But whenever I go back and after this cools off, I'm going to repress this for 3 to 5 seconds, and it's going to give that grittiness to it. Now, you are going to want to do that because the manufacturer wants you to repress so it sets it in that fiber, sets it into the garment. All right. So now that we have it cool, look at that soft. But once we do a final repress on it, it sets it into that fiber. All right, and we will press it again for another 3 to 5 seconds. All right, and look. Let's see. So now you have everything super soft, and this has glitter in it. Look at that. And it's soft and stretchable. So if you like soft, non-feel fabrics, stuff on your fabrics, soft metallics will be one of great. All right, if you have any questions about this, comment below, and like I said, I will link everything in the description. And as always, have a great day. Thanks.